Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture, here I want to add lecture button here. It's below here. Basically, each section have the add lectures button. Got it. And let me here update it. Then here check it what happened guys. Then here you have to just write one. Then save section. You see here your data it is updated, but issue within that is here. This component it is not hide from it's below from its section title. So let's here then here you have your function that is this one guys. Handle save it. Okay, so here I want to just execute this function handle cancel it. So here you have to copy this function and just inside it here you have to execute this function at the values. Okay, here basically here you have to execute these functions. Got it. So this is the simple issue. So now at this time here you have to refresh it, then again try to here update your first sections. Then you will see here your UI updated immediately from the client side as well as from server side. Here let me here you have to write like section 1, just section 1, save it. You see your UI updated immediately. Then here you have to write in the section 2, save section. You see save section 2. Then here you have to write section 3. Okay, then you see here section 3. Let me here write in the section 4. Got it here. Now here you have the section 4. Got it. So here you have successfully implement your CRUD feature for the section. Now the next thing here we will implement for here. Just add the button for adding the lecture in each section. Okay. So the thing here guys. Okay, let me here you have to close this one. Then after that this is your add section button. Then here you have your lecture component. Got it. So here you have to go to the bottom. Okay. So here this is your box component. Okay, this is a box component. Then this is let me here you have to create your box component, button component. Just here you have to write in the button. Then inside it that is a 8. That is 8 lecture. Got it. Then here you have to write in the lecture. Got it. 8 lecture. Then you see here guys, you see here just your button 8 lecture. Whenever you just click here, then here I want to add the lectures. So let just you have to make it stylish. Okay, so this is your 8 lecture sections. So let here inside it here just you have to add the styles. You know that here very well. So inside it here guys, here we have to set the button style to contain which is a field background. So here you have to write in the variant into the content. Here write the content. Then after that here 8 in icon, that is a 8 icon at the beginning of the button text. So you write the start icon. Okay, then here inside object that is the 8 icon. Okay guys, we already imported this icon. Okay, so you can check it here on the top. Then after that here we will here call the handle it lecture function whenever we will click this button. Okay, then here passing the section index as an argument. Okay, so here you have to just pass whenever you just click on this button and click here equal. Then inside here you have to make the functions. That is handle it lecture. Handle it lectures. Okay, handle it lecture. Then inside here you have to just pass section index. Okay, section index. You need to here pass inside it section index. Then here after that just we will let the distance stars a6 equal. Then inside it that is margin top 8 px margin. Got it. Margin top that is 8 px. Then color. Okay, color here you have to write the hash ff. Okay, then after that here set the button background color to black background. Here you have to add in the background color. That is has okay has 000. Got it. Then after that here we will let here prevent the automatic text capitalization. That is a text transform. Text transform. It is none. Okay. Let me check it here, guys. Now this is here you have to refresh it first time. Then you see your data. Here you can implement the loading. Okay, if you want. But here you see here. Now it is looking very good, guys. You see here just 8 lecture. I know that here you got the issue that is you have not yet defined your function. It is a handle it lecture functions. Okay, but you see here, guys. Now it is looking very good. Okay, you see just here. Okay, so let's here you have to define your function. So here you have to copy this function, then go to the top here. Let me here at the bottom. Okay, so let here you have to define the function cost. Your function handle it lecture. Here we have to make the here function inside it here. Here you have to write the section index, section, section index. Got it. Then okay, guys. Then here inside it here just log the section ID being modified or for the debugging purpose, guys. So you can easily check it here. Just here I want to get the section ID. Okay, so here you can check it here. It is very simple, guys. Here not a cost. Just here we will write that is a console console.log. Then here basically I want this is the section ID. Here this is a let me you can easily understand. This is section. Okay, so this section has the ID. So here I want this section ID for the aid lecture. Okay, so you can easily access here. Like here you have to write in the alert component. mm, alert alert. Okay, here this is not captured. mm, then inside it here that is here you have to access in the curriculum. Okay, this is not inside a string. You know it here. Just write in the curriculum. Okay. Then curriculum inside it here you have to pass that is section index. Section section index. Then here we have to just I want to access the underscore ID. Right. Here I want to this section ID, guys. You see here, this section I have the ID. Then this section I have the ID. Also this section I have the ID. So let me here if you click here, you see here this section I have the ID like 94. Let me okay. Then here this one section 2. Then you see 9B. Right. Then section 3. Let me click here. You see here A3. Okay. So then here 03. Got it. Got it. So in the next lecture, we will send the data to the server side and save in the database. Got it. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.